Hello from Slovenia. We have a new invention which allows you to do that. So this invention is called TamboJack. TamboJack comes with this small pretty box, and let's see how it looks like. It looks like very nice. Oh wow. Let's go back to the 70s. So it's a clutch who allows you to play tambourine and hi-hat on the same time, but not at the same time. First of all, you must to know how deep is your hi-hat stick. Maybe it's 6 millimeters, maybe it's 6.3, maybe 7. I don't know. I play Tama hardware and I know it's 6.3. So I'm gonna use TamboJacks with 6.3 depth. So we're gonna show you now how to use it and how to set up. So let's start. 1, 2, woo, we go. You're gonna need your washers from your old hi-hat clutch. Okay, so let's go. Now the TamboJack. Wow! Now we have it on the hi-hat stand. And what now? Oh no! Now the story and the journey begins. So, first of all, what you have to know. This ring turns and has to be up. And the hi-hat has to be loose. Everything, foot down, and this first button with the red logo, you adjust it, think like this. And now we put, for more excitement, the tambourine. So, okay. So what to do now? When you see it's loose now, and I have to turn a little bit this ring and then step it like, and look what will happen now. Oh, we have it. But okay, I can use it like on the beginning of the video you saw. I can use this also like the ordinary tambourine clutch. So all I have to do is tighten this second button. And now I go back to the 70s. So you can see the hi-hat and the tambourine is moving at the same time. If I don't want to use it like this, I lose it. And here we go again. Tap, tap, tap. I can play just the tambourine, or I can play also together with hi-hat. And I can play also hi-hat with no tambourine sound. Third option you can use, so you lose everything off. So this ring, so I will turn in right on the right, and he will go jump back like this, you know. And now, what can I do? I can play, for example, 16 note with losing and pushing, ticka 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 ticka, like. now back to the TamboJack, little bit turn on the left, and push, and back, and you have it. So, okay, thank you very much for watching. I hope you're gonna like this idea.